But this is where we are going next. Honestly, this is, I don't know if I'm going to be able to carry on the show after this. Also, I can't decide which one am I going to go for. I'm going to go for this. This is from Berkshire, and if anybody knows how to do a throw, it is them. This is a throw like no other. It's called the Grace Fur. This is 50 by 60 inches. Incredible texture. We've got this beautiful pattern actually. Let me just show you the pattern so that you can see. So it's like a diamond relief pattern. And so it's a diamond quilted. H474406. It's $39.98 on sale, which when you think how much throw you're getting, you could pay that for just a throw, but no, it is a heated throw. It's $13.33 on 3 Easy Pay. Oh, I need to talk colors because they are all beautiful. This is the navy. Oh, it's so strokeable. Then we have the cream. And then, of course, I'm wearing the gray. And we have one more color, which is the mocha. That's actually our most limited. And you can see there in the picture, I'll show it to you in person. This is how you control your temperature. So I can just turn it on, very easy, very intuitive. You do not need to be a tech expert to figure out how to make this work. So actually I'm gonna have it on 5 because I like to be cozy. Joining us is Sharon Hamby-Roby. Hey Sharon.
Hi, Sam. How are you?
Oh, I'm very well, thanks. You are having the perfect Friday night, madame.
I am indeed. It's my birthday, so I'm lounging under a warm
happy
throw.
birthday.
Thank you.
Oh,
so, yes. This is the perfect way to spend my birthday if you want to know the truth. So,
yeah.
This is our Berkshire Grace Fur. But it's not just our Grace Fur because we've done it in this carved diamond pattern, which is so elevated and so gorgeous. And then the reverse side is our velvet soft. So you're getting just 2 luscious fabrics. And it's so scrumptious and lovable and so pliable that you would never know this is a heated throw. Yeah. And I love that it's one button. Because when I go to turn the TV on, we've got like 4 remotes over there. I don't know what they all do. I barely know how to turn it on. But with this, it's one button. And you have 5 different temperature controls. And then you have a 3-hour automatic turn off.
Well, that's brilliant because I don't know about you, Sharon, especially as it's your birthday and you're kind of treating yourself with a little bit of self-care, but I love to fall asleep on the couch, with a blanket.
Isn't that the truth?
Sometimes it's the best sleep.
So you don't have to worry about it. So now, if I fall asleep, and I hope you do too, it's going to turn off automatically in 3 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, again, I think when we think about this sort of electric blankets of old and the wires and the danger, the fact that this has that auto shut off, the fact that it just feels like a throw. Like, I mean, it's so pliable and soft. The only way you would know is when you see the way that the remote control connects to it. Because otherwise, I would just have this out on the couch all of the time.
Exactly. So you can use it with or without the heat. But it's so nice. I mean, we're going into the tundra next week.
Oh, yes.
I know it's going to be like 1 degree and lots of snow. And it's coming across a lot of the country. So this is something that you absolutely need to stay warm over this cold winter. It's been so cold here in PA for the last couple of weeks.
Yeah.
We've not had it this cold in a long time.
There were some people just talking about that in the street as I was coming in earlier. I just overheard a conversation of people saying it never gets this cold here.
No, no. But these are machine washable also, Sam. So when you get this home, there's going to be instructions that say, plug it into the throw first, and then plug it into the wall, and then it'll work correctly. And then when you want to unplug it, unplug from the wall first, and then from the throw, and then it's machine washable. So you're going to throw it in the dryer on delicate, cold, no fabric softener, and then throw it in the dryer on air only for like 10 minutes. It'll be almost dry by then, but you hang dry for the rest.
So that's brilliant. So I mean, you could even use this on your bed if you wanted to, which would be so.
Oh, you could preheat your bed, while you go get your face washed. Put this on your side of the bed and warm it up.
Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful even heat. You know, when you get this home, I think you're really going to enjoy. You don't feel overheated. It's just like if you're like Sharon and you're a comfy, cozy, couch-loving gal who just loves to be warm. This is just such a treat, and it's like, I don't know, it's just like being surrounded by fluffy bunnies or kitties. It's so soft. Sharon, happy birthday, you wonderful woman. I just hope you are having such a special evening. And sending you lots of love and good wishes from everyone at QVC. Mwah.
Thank you so much, Sam.
Okay, let me remind you of the colors. We have the cream. We also have the mocha, that is our most limited. If you like the mocha, order that now. Then we also have the grey and then the navy. Navy been really popular tonight. $13.33 is your easy pay. I'm gonna come in for that mocha because I was actually just thinking this morning, I need a new throw, and this is just, once you get it home, you'll know. I always get to try, so it's not fair for you because you don't get to try.